Treat Ticket Mobile is the brilliant new app from Treat Ticket that shows you the best live local treat offers and discounts in your area. Let's say you're out and about in town and want to grab a bite to eat but can't decide where. Or you're shopping and want to find out where all the best offers around you are. Well, that's exactly what Treat Ticket Mobile was made for. Just download the Treat Ticket app and not only will you be able to view our great daily deals, but by selecting Treat Ticket Plus on our app, you can browse a fantastic, convenient mobile directory of amazing live treat offers and discounts from local and national retailers available in your area right here, right now. Wouldn't it be nice to treat yourself today? Maybe you'd like a blow-dry in a local salon. Perhaps you fancy a new jacket and want to know what local retailers have discounts available today. Or maybe a complimentary donut with your morning coffee. Whatever the treat, you'll find them all on Treat Ticket Mobile. With Treat Ticket Plus, you'll always be able to know which of your favourite independent and national businesses have treats, discounts and offers available. It's so easy to use. Just log on and browse or filter the discounts in your area. All available right here, right now. And that's not all. With Treat Ticket Live, local businesses can upload special treats because they want you to visit them today. You can pick your favourite types of treats, favourite local businesses, or all treats in your area. So if you're especially interested in treat offers from your favourite restaurant in town, you'll never miss their offers again. As with Treat Ticket Live, you can ask for new treat alerts to pop up on your smartphone or tablet. So come on, download the free Treat Ticket app today and start treating yourself to the fabulous daily deals and local treats just waiting to be enjoyed. And don't keep it to yourself. Share your experiences and spread the word about Treat Ticket Mobile on Twitter and Facebook.